Welcome to Pullback Indicators and yet another profitable day. So let's check out the performance of our price action indicator for today, 26th August. So this is Canara Bank. So as you know, the upper line is referred to the supply zone and the lower line is referred to our demand zone. When price touches the supply zone and comes down with 2 to 3 red candles and the trend line is also red and facing downwards, we take a sell trade. And when price touches the demand zone and takes a upside U-turn, we enter into a buy trade. Supply zone is referred to our selling zone and demand zone is referred to our buying zone. So most of the novice traders who are trading, once they see the price is going up, they think that the stock is going to go up and there is an uptrend. But they don't know that here there is a supply zone. And once price touches the supply zone, there is a maximum number of chance that the price will reach the supply zone and make a sharp fall. So what happens? You take that opportunity. Instead of buying here, you sell here. You sell at high price and the novice traders buys from you at this particular price, and when price comes down, you buy here, and the novice trader, what he does, he sells at the bottom. So basically you sell at the top and buy at the bottom. And how do you know at what particular time the price is reaching the supply or demand zone? Very simple. For that you need to use alert. Just besides the supply zone, right click, add alert, and immediately an alert will get created. Similarly on the demand zone, right click, add alert, and this is how you create alert. You can see the alert symbol is also there, and during any time of the day when price will reach the supply zone or the demand zone, you will automatically get an alert. And when you see after touching the supply zone or the demand zone there is a U-turn, you can enter into the trade. This is as simple as that. Pure price action, nothing else. This is Grasim. There was a triangle breakout. Whenever a triangle pattern is created, the indicator will automatically plot a triangle pattern for you. And there was an upside breakout, and this is where you need to enter. And look at Grasim. From 1655 the price touched 1687. Not only that, the price respects supply zone also. After touching the supply zone, even Grasim came down here and then again it went up and the market closed. So price most of the time respects the demand and supply zone. This is UPL chart. You can see price went up but did not touch the supply zone. Rather, just little below the supply zone, the price took a U-turn. So if you are a risky trader, you can trade at these zones also. And what I have noticed, most of the time, if there is a U pattern, even without touching the supply zone, if there is a U pattern, you can enter here. And out of 10 times, 9 times the price will come down. And UPL was in downtrend for the entire day. Let me show you some more stocks. Mahindra and Mahindra, again same, price touched the supply zone and then it came down. This is how it works. Coal India, again price touched the supply zone. It did not go much down, but yes, you can say cost to cost. See, not all stocks after touching the supply zone will go down drastically, but yes, there are some stocks like Canara Bank, Grasim, UPL, which will go down and give you money. For that, just use alerts on Nifty 50 stocks, and as you get the alert, keep it in watch list, and when you see there is a U-turn, enter into the trade. Small stop loss, big profits. And this is Sun Pharma. Look at Sun Pharma. In Sun Pharma, it did not touch the supply zone, but it took a U-turn, and today in Sun Pharma there was double confirmation trade. Now what is a double confirmation trade? Once you see that the price either have touched the supply zone or it's taking a U-turn little bit below from the supply zone and going downwards, this will be your first confirmation. And second confirmation is when you subscribe to pullback price action indicator, you will get an additional indicator which is called pullback. Pullback basically gives you buy and sell signal. When you apply pullback indicator, what you see, you will see the support zone, resistance level, 2 moving average line, CPR band and buy sell signal. So just where the price started taking a downside reversal, there is a sell signal. So you can immediately on the closing price of this candle enter into the trade, and this will be your first target. As your targets gets achieved, you can trail your stop loss. So what I have noticed, when there is a double confirmation trade, the accuracy along with risk and reward is pretty high. So this is how you trade on double confirmation trade, and this is how you access the second indicator. Let me show you in Forex also. This is XAUUSD chart, and there was a triangle breakout here. Once there is a triangle breakout, you can enter somewhere here, and almost 1% return in Forex trade also. In Bank Nifty, as of today, using demand and supply, there is currently no trade today, but on a lower time frame, there was triangle breakout. This is a multi-time frame indicator in which you can use in 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute in multiple time frame. And there was a triangle breakout here on 3-minute time frame. So here there was approximately 270 points, and then again there was another triangle pattern, and this breakout also gave another 200 points. And how do you exit? Once you see that the price is taking a U-turn with 3 green candles and the trend line is blue, you can exit, or with the help of 9 EMA. So if you see my previous videos, you will get how to use 9 EMA and exit. So trade less but trade solid, and before you start trading, always backtest the strategy yourself. Do paper trading for few days, then start your trading journey. I have kept this indicator price very reasonable so that most of the traders who are willing to learn can come forward, use it and benefit from this indicator. If you have any queries, you can email or WhatsApp. My team will coordinate with you. So if you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.